Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can create 3D Instagram profile picture by using Canva in 2025. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you just need to go to the home and just click on your social media, and from that place you can search for Instagram profile picture and find it out any of Instagram profile, or you can search anything like Instagram profile here, and you will get the options here. You can see Instagram profile picture, just click on of them and you will get the actual size in here. So once I get the size here, you can easily create this 3D profile for your users. So it is so much easy. You just need to come over that place into the frame and search for the frame here. You just need to search it frame, and here you will get the option to get search frame. Let's search for 3D, and here you will get 3D frame. So if you place it here, and you just need to go to the upload, or once you come over here, from that place you just need to select your image. Let's say this image will be our selected one, and let's go to the Ctrl Z, and I'm going to place it in here, and you can see it already become 3D. So in this way you can create 3D. And if you use the manual one, so just go over here and then choose any of them. Let's say we are going to work with this one. Let's use this one, and we just need to paste it here. And now I will search for image in here into the animal, that will be popcorn, and here you just need to be search, and you will find out all images in that place. You just need to click on see all. If you have this one, then you can choose any of them. So I am going to choose an image from that place. Let's say, does it have, yeah, I can work with this one. You just need to place it in this way, and the main thing is you just need to download the image also. So let's download the image. First of all, let's open a page and place it here, and post it properly. Just click to the download it properly, and I will remove the background. So I'm not using the premium one, so I'm not able to use this busy remove option. So I will use remove dot background options, and here I will get remove busy, and I will go over that place and I will place my image in here. This is also an easy one and useful one. You can use it for your users. So here I will click on download. Once I click over here, it will take a couple of minutes, and just click on preview and come back this place and try to upload this image for our users. So click this one and upload it here. I'm going to remove this video, and now here actually I'm going to use that image for our users. So here you just need to log the profile. So here I will click on log, and now it become a log one. So now you can see that if I increase this image, so this way if I increase, now you can see it become an 3D version of your profile picture. So this way, if you use this method, you can easily create new 3D method for you. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.